Okay, so this is a very ultra modern single room, self-contained with everything intact. So that's the porch, and then when you enter inside, in fact everything is intact. That is the wardrobe, and then the washroom and bath. There's a minor fridge, and also washroom and bath, jacuzzi one, fresh one, correct one, and then this is a sofa chair. This is a sofa chair, and then there's a fan inside. And you see a bed, master bed, and then there's a study table, and then air condition, and then there's a fan. In fact, the room is very, very large. The room is very, very, very large. Very, very large. In fact, two people can share.